Tired of manually entering numbers and information from your receipts and invoices into a spreadsheet? Always rushing to get your information in time to your accountant? With Kdocs Analytix, everything is streamlined for you. Simply upload your receipts and invoices. Kdocs will scan the receipt for all relevant information and instantly display it in a simple report. You can share the report instantly with your accountant, colleagues, or anyone else. No need to spend hours going through your receipts and invoices. Let Kdocs Analytix do the number crunching for you.